Now this was really crazy. I had a friend's daughter's house or whatever. Does it really matter where I am? And they said, "Do I look like silly or crazy?" Because they had three-quarter on pants and two different socks. And the first thing that came up to me was human beings, female and male. If you had two males, if you had two females, what can you do? What can't you do? And if you had a female and a male, what could you do? What can't you do? And then I brought it up to, what if you had a battery? One battery consists of a positive and a negative. See, the circle might go all around, but what's actually happening for that circle and what's facing what? You see, even if you have a circle that's perfect and it's round, all around like a ball, right? The direction of what is pointing at the ball or which way the ball is moving and turning will actually differentiate on the two sides of the ball that look actually the same all around when it's what's going on, and what's going on in the situation that actually tells the rest and or all of the story. Like a pen or a pencil. There's a hole in the center of the wood of a pencil. And in that hole of the center of the wood of the pencil, they put that carbon in order to write. And what you're writing, the center of all around of one piece of that pencil, which is a pencil lead, is everything that you're writing with. One that is all of the completion of what is all replically the same, but going on to something that is completely different, because you're not writing on top of a pencil, you're writing on top of a piece of paper. So two opposites that combine together to be able to tell the story between the pencil on the paper, between the male and the female, creating the child. That's what it cannot be done unless you create the second child. And we can go on and keep talking about all these things. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. When you have two opposites connected to the same element, you have one piece of a puzzle. Is it a whole, a battery? Is a battery a whole and can run on its own? Or is the ball the whole of all that can run on its own in an element of space of where it can go? Has anybody followed me yet? 7286 Raphael, thank you for watching this video. By the way, tonight, not counting leap years and not counting perfect years, but if I can remember correctly, at 9 p.m. on May 5th of 2005, and it's 14 years later, and this is the year would be the passage through the sun, 2005 to 2006 to 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. 14 years. 14 years. Is it 14 complete years? Or am I starting? No, I'm starting on the 15th years. So I went from the sun into Mars and the beginning of pi. Remember, pi is the beginning because as something is flowing forward, because of the dimensions and area space it uses, and because of the transfer between the 14 and the 15, or whatever other element you want to use, 14 and 15 in this situation can either mean the end, and the end that runs through the sun and Mars. Sun and Mars, obviously it's got to have a passage somewhere. Let's say it reflects off the moon at night, comes in during the day. Thank you for watching this video.